Good morning, students. After attending previous lectures, I hope you are familiar with the concept of freedom and what is freedom and why people struggle to gain freedom. And we have discussed two examples of Nelson Mandela and Aung San Suu Kyi from Myanmar. And in today's lecture, we will study little bit about our Indian freedom struggle and our Indian freedom fighters. All of you familiar, our India was also the colony of British country, and approximate 200 or more than 200 years Britishers exploited Indians for their economic benefits. After few years, many Indians got the point about freedom and they struggled against Britishers, and after their efforts, India became an independent country. All of you know in the year 1947. And now we will study about the concept of freedom in Indian concepts or according to Indian freedom fighters. As you are looking on the screen, two great freedom fighters are showing on your screen. First, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, second, Mahatma Gandhi. The concept of Swaraj is given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak firstly, and the meaning of Swaraj is Swaraj, means self rule. In this, people wanted to rule themselves, so they, in the context of the freedom struggle in India, refer to freedom as a constitutional and political demand and as a value at the social collective level. That is why Swaraj was such an important rallying cry in the freedom movement, inspiring Tilak's famous statement, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, which you have studied in the last screen. And it is the understanding of Swaraj as a rule over the self that was highlighted by Mahatma Gandhi in his work Hind Swaraj, where he states it is Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. Swaraj is not just freedom but liberation in redeeming one's self respect, self responsibility, and capacities for self realization from institutions of dehumanization, understanding the real self and its relation to communities and societies is critical to the project of attaining Swaraj. Regarding Indian views for freedom, we will take one more example that is given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. All of you are familiar with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and he has given his statement in the conference, students' conference at Lahore. So, in this or according to this, freedom is a word which has varied can cannot connotations, and even in our country, the conception of freedom has undergone a process of evolution. By freedom, I means according to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, all round freedom, that is freedom for the individual as well as for society, freedom for the rich as well as for the poor, freedom for men as well as for women, freedom for all individuals and for all classes. The freedom implies not only emancipation from political bondage but also equal distribution of wealth, abolition of caste barriers, and social inequities and destruction of communalism and religious intolerance is real freedom. I hope all the points regarding freedom today, which I explained, are clear to you. If you face any problem, you can ask in your live classes. Thank you and have a nice day.